Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is difference between general control and latch control in Mitsubishi PLC. This is a lecture number 19, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. There are two main type of the counter. One is general counter and other one is latch counter. The definition of the general counter is general counter will lose its counting value if during operation PLC lose its power. Okay, by definition you can understand if PLC lose its power, then this counter will lose its current value. Okay, but latch counter is opposite of the general counter. It will store its counting value if during operation PLC lose its power, and will start again from last previous value when PLC get again power. Okay, latch counter will not lose its value if PLC lose its power. Okay, so we will see a table of Mitsubishi PLC FX series. As we know, there are two type of the counter, 16-bit counter and 32-bit counter, because 16-bit counter has its own counting range and 32-bit counter has its own counting range. I have told you in my previous lecture difference between 16-bit and 32-bit counter. So today our topic is general and latch. Okay, if I use C0 to C9999 value, these counter are general counter. Okay, and C100 to C199, this is the latch counter range. Okay, and 32-bit counter range is general counter is from C200 to C19, and latch counter is value C222 to 24. This is only 4 counter of latch counter with 32-bit counter. Okay, now in our software we will use C0 as the general counter and C100 as the latch counter, and I will tell you how is different between general and latch counter. So let's come on the software. This is our GXWorks2 software, and we will create a project. A project type is simple project, and PLC FX CPU, and PLC type is FX3U, and our language is ladder diagram, and simple press OK. So we will use C0 as a general counter and C100 as a latch counter, and we will check the difference between both counter. So first we will take as input M8011. Again I will press 8011. This is the clock pulse of 50 millisecond, and I will use C0, and I will take any C0 and K800. Okay, this is our general counter, and I will use one more counter of C100 of as a latch counter. So I will use C100 as use same value K800. Okay, so this is the both counter. One counter is general and other one is latched of 16-bit, and this is the input of pulse, clock pulse. So I will compile it. Is a build. Now it's a compiled, and I will on simulator of the software, and you will see when software will run. both counter will start the counting the pulse of the clock pulse M8011. You can see both counter are counting the value of these pulses, and you can see both value equal. Okay, now I will stop my PLC and press the stop button, and you can see when I stop my PLC, the general counter value is 0 and last value is 161. This is the previous current value when I press the stop button. Okay, and when I again run the PLC, you can see this counter will start from 0, but this counter will start from 161. When I press run button, and you will see this counter is start from 0, but this counter start from is last current value. So this is the main difference between latched and general counter. If you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question in comment box. Okay, bye.